Hey guys, hi and welcome back. In today's episode, I'm not going to show you the usual tear down or taking apart the cameras. I'm going to start a new chapter, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how to clean your rubbers. And with this chapter, I'm going to show more how to maintain your camera instead of how to repair or service your camera. And maintaining, there's lots of stuff to cover. For example, how to clean, in this case, how to clean your rubbers, but also how to clean your camera, the whole body of your camera, or maintain, and how to clean your image sensor, how to clean the focusing screen, how to clean the viewfinder, the optical part where the eyepiece connects, and so on and so on. Before we move on, I wanted to say thank you to all the subscribers. We just hit 500 subscribers on this channel, which is quite amazing. I know it goes slow. I don't add enough videos regularly, but I'm trying to in the future I'm gonna try to put more and more stuff um, in order to keep this channel alive, and also I'm trying to create videos based on your requests. So before I'm showing you how you have to clean the rubbers, you have to know that this kind of technique doesn't work on any brand. I use mostly on Canons because the Canon rubber is quite robust. On other cameras, the rubbers, it might be uh, slightly different, which tends to disintegrate by our sweat and oil that our hands produce, and that basically also with this technique it might speed up the process of disintegrating the rubbers. So Nikon, for example, Nikon cameras, this kind of technique is not good. I actually recommend to use for Nikon camera, in order to extend the life on a Nikon cameras, the rubber, it's enough to clean up the rubbers regularly, like I don't know, once in a while, after a month or a week, depends on how often you use the camera, and just to take off that kind of oil and sweat by using a simple water-based cleaning wipes. Just water-based cleaning wipes, that should be enough to wipe off your residues from the rubber of your camera. But this technique works very good on Canon, and it brings quite close to the original state of the rubber. So as you can see, nothing special. I'm just using a Q-tip here with some liquid. The liquid is an acetone-free. You have to use this and Oli brand in order to not damage your rubbers. So I just put some of this acetone-free, and I'm just cleaning with the Q-tip. I'm using the Q-tip because I can focus more on different spots and I can see better the final results. I just add the tape for showing you the before and after in order to see it better what's going on. And yeah, the cleaning is going back and forth. You just replace the Q-tip. The Q-tip must be in kind of a okay quality. Don't buy the cheapest one because they get damaged quite quick. And pretty much that's it. Right, so as you can see, here is a before and after. The downside where I finish the cleaning. On the on the upper side you can see the clearly how much of a difference. So I will continue to carry on with the cleaning, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I finished up by using the acetone-free, the solvent. Next, I'm going to use a Zippo. So what I'm doing now, basically, I'm using a Zippo. It's a proper Zippo, and the reason I'm using this liquid is just because it's very good, doesn't create any kind of a damage. It cleans up, uh, cleans away also the solvent that I used, and in an extra, it's adding a kind of the black on the bubble becomes very dark, very dark, and I'm using this just to to wash out all the nail remover that I used, the solvent that I used before, and also to add an extra clean up to the rubber. So as you can see, this becomes very good. The results are quite good. I'm happy. I'm gonna give another final clean because I'm picky, but now you know how to clean your rubber. Okay, so this is a way how you can clean up the rubbers on your uh, Canon, specifically Canon cameras. You might be able to do it on some Fujis. I realized that on Fujis as well. I don't know how Sony's. And yeah, this other side I'm gonna finish off camera, but now you know how to clean your rubbers. If you're still here and you like what you see, consider to like, share, and subscribe to, and I'm gonna add more content like this. And with this, see you on next one.